Oh hey, welcome back guys. So this is pretty much my last day. Tonight I'm gonna pack up, we're gonna take off, we're gonna get out of here. Well, I was hoping for one last day of fishing, but it doesn't look like that's gonna be the case. It is just a sprinkle right now. If it lightens up, I'll definitely go out for maybe an hour or two, get a little bit of fishing before I put the boat away. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I was even thinking about if the weather doesn't act up, or if the weather doesn't stop, I might just start the fire and do a hot tub for most of the day. Why not? I can put everything else away and cook in the van. That's not a big deal. I just gotta get the boat packed up, put away, the motor and everything else packed up. We can move on to the next location. We don't want to overstay our welcome, and today's my 13th day and we're allowed 14 days here at the campsite, and then we're gonna move on. I can't even go down the road and go to a different campsite. I have to pack up and leave. But to be fair, I could come back tomorrow and stay another 2 weeks, but I don't want to, like I said, overstay my welcome. Turned on Starlink for a little bit, started downloading the second part of That 90s Show. It's kind of funny. It's been a successful camping trip out here at Sugar Lake. I've had a blast. I've just been enjoying life and relaxing, and should get a little bit more exercise. I got a little bit of a gut going on here, but we'll figure that out. Not a big deal. Alright, it looks like we got a little break in the rain. It says rain starts in 3 hours. So we're going to book it out there and go fishing the last few hours of the day. I'm going to enjoy it. The last day of fishing out at Sugar Lake. We'll see you guys when I'm back. Unless I catch a big fresh. Maybe you guys will see that. Alright, we motored in just before the storm gets really bad, if it does. It was a little bit sketchy riding this short boat through this waves. You definitely need to be careful which way you're driving, especially when the waves get choppy like this. To the point where I put my life jacket on because I didn't want to be thrown overboard without it. The boat would just be off. I would never catch it. Alright, time to get this boat unloaded. Took my entire bed apart just to do a little side project because my batteries are going to be low tomorrow when I start the van. So I've got this switch here I grabbed before I left the house and some wire. Basically, I'm going to jump this DC to DC charger, which reduces it to half power. out. So I think I'm gonna run it into this cabinet and then just have the wire plugged into here. It's a little hard to see, but this one right here, this activates the Renogy charging, and this one reduces it by half power. So basically what I do is take this power wire and plug it in here. Now I could run a little jumper cable, but I figured I got a little switch. I'm going to take these two cables, I'm going to plug them in there, and then I've got myself a way to half the power so that when I'm driving, I'm not burning out the alternator by pulling a full 60 amps until I figure out a dual alternator setup. I'm still trying to figure that out. There's nowhere local here that's willing to do it, and nobody can find me an alternator, nothing. So I might just special order a high output alternator that puts out a little more power so that I can just flick this switch and leave it off. But who knows? We'll see. All right, I'm gonna plug this in, get it ready, and we're gonna test it out. Okay, as you can see, the red goes in the blue and the black goes in the remote side, so that I have a little remote switch, which is located in here. Like I said, this is just temporary. So when I need to, I'll flick this switch and it should turn on full 60 amp and then turn it off and it's only 30 amp. That's the kind of situation I'm dealing with. All right, I gotta find my key. Oh yeah, it's over there on the picnic table. All right, I'm gonna grab my key and test it out. Okay, as you can see, pulling in 28 amps. Perfect. Let's flick that switch and see what happens. Here's the switch. Boom. Look at that. Now we'll turn off full charge. Boom, 29 amps. Oh, that's amazing. That is a job well done. Now I don't have to lift this box up to flick a switch just over there to charge it. Time to put my bed back together, and then we'll finish packing up everything else and we'll get ready to go tomorrow morning. All right, this is project done and crossed off the list. We're getting so close to being done, and I only have that left for firewood. Got a couple pieces. I'm burning my fence post. I only have a little bit of stuff to put away. I got my umbrella, a few pots, a few buckets, you know, a few random things here and there, and then ready to go. That's pretty much it. My hot water is not super hot, but I've got another pot there and another one there. Once those are done, that'll be hot, and I'm ready for my hot tub. And it's early, so I can enjoy my hot tub. Once the hot tub's done, the firewood's gone, I can go enjoy a quick TV show. I got Starlink all put away, but I downloaded a couple of videos, so yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Hopefully you guys made it to the end. It's kind of a silly episode, but hey, I have a silly life, so I'm willing to share my silly life with you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. Peace out, guys.